Hi, everyone. My name is Mr. D, and this is my good friend Hippo. Say hello, Hippo.
Hello.
How are you doing today, Hippo?
Well, to be honest, I'm a little
Mhm.
tired.
That's right, because this morning Hippo and I made a homemade cherry pie.
Cherry's my favorite.
Yeah, mine too.
Let's eat it.
Oh, no, 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 not yet, Hippo. Not yet.
No?
Yeah, we can't yet.
Why?
Well, because it still needs to cool.
Oh,
Yeah, if we eat it now, we can burn our tongues.
oh,
Yeah. But I was thinking, as we're waiting for the cherry pie to cool, we can read this book called Pie for Chuck.
okay. Let's hurry up and read it.
Okay, right.
Oh, where's
Yeah.
Chuck?
It looks like he's in his home.
Oh,
Yeah, underground, I think.
ah,
Big Chuck loves pie.
he's
Yeah.
he's thinking about pie?
Yeah, he's dreaming about pie. Yeah.
Oh,
See, he's thinking about it.
no, I dream about pie.
Yeah, I do too sometimes.
Mm,
Big Chuck can see the pie.
where is it?
Well, it's way over here on the windowsill. I know it may be hard to see.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
tiny.
it's very small, but you can barely make it out.
Okay, okay.
Big Chuck can smell the pie.
Mm,
Yeah, if you look, you can see that Big Chuck is smelling the aroma of the
ah,
pie.
mm.
Yeah, makes you hungry, doesn't it,
I
Hippo?
can we eat yet?
Not yet, but
Mm,
soon.
okay, okay.
Big Chuck cannot get the pie. I
Oh,
know he's reaching out with his paw. You see, yeah,
oh,
just like that. And his animal friends are gathering around to see if they can help.
I hope they can help.
I think they will, and I think they'll get the pie.
Oh,
Yeah.
mm,
Can Raccoon get the pie?
no, he
But
cannot.
he's on his tippy toes. He's so
But he's too
close.
short.
Yeah, he's too short. Can Rabbit get the pie?
No, he
No,
cannot.
he can't. He's so close.
He's
He's
hopping.
jumping. Yeah, he's hopping. Yeah.
Can't get it.
Can Chip get the pie? No,
No, he
he
can't.
can't. He's just not long enough, but close.
Close.
Can the mice get the pie?
They're stacking?
Yeah, they're stacking, but no, not
No,
even
they can't.
close. No.
Mm,
Oh, but look,
what? What?
it looks like Chuck has an
Oh,
idea. He's putting the mice on top of his head, and then he's going to walk them over to get the pie.
okay. This could be it.
This could be it, Hippo.
Oh,
Let's
oh,
see. Cross your fingers.
okay. Oh,
Can the mice get the pie now?
I don't know. I don't turn the
Oh,
page.
it's so close. It's so close. I can't stand the suspense.
Turn the page. Turn the page. Yay!
Yes, they can. And look, it's a
Oh,
blueberry pie.
but the pie.
I know it's
Oh,
falling. It's going to hit
uh,
pie for Chuck, pie for everyone.
oh,
Yeah,
it went splat.
I know. Talk about a happy ending for them.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, oh. But what about the
Yeah.
people?
Well, there's the boy, and I think he's telling his mom or dad about what happened to the pie. He's
Oh,
telling them that the pie went.
splat.
Yeah, and you can see Chuck and all of his animal friends running home.
Oh,
The end.
maybe they'll make another pie.
Yeah, maybe they will.
Okay, okay. Pie for me. Pie for me.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Was
okay.
this a good story, Hippo?
It made me hungry.
Yeah, made me hungry too. All right, before we have the pie, first things first, the plate.
The plate.
Here's your plate,
Ah,
Hippo.
wait. The
Okay,
plate.
napkin so you don't get messy.
No mess.
Have to have a napkin. And the fork to eat the pie.
Where's the pie?
And
Where's the
last but not least,
Oh, push it up. Oh,
I am.
it
So I
smells
can
so
see.
good.
Yeah, this
Okay,
looks so
okay.
good.
Okay, can I cut it now?
Yes, you can cut it, Hippo.
Okay.
Well, while Hippo is cutting the pie, I want to take this time to say I hope you enjoyed the story.
The pie's delicious.
We're glad that you came, and we'll see you next time. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.